Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting product here for unboxing, and that's the Magic Keyboard. Now, if you are confused what's this Magic Keyboard, then that's an upgrade to the standard Magic Keyboard which I had unboxed a long back, and honestly after using it for a few days maybe, I can always tell you that cheap fake thing is always going to not work out for the long run. So if you are into business and if you want a real good keyboard, then you should always buy the original ones, and this is the Apple's Magic Keyboard. And you can see this comes with a number pad, which is something I generally have a lot of habit of using the numerical keys, so the number key is actually important. And let me talk about what you get here. First thing first, it says this is the Magic Keyboard with the Numeric Keypad. Moving on, we have more details here. As you can see here, this comes at an MRP of 11,900 rupees. And why is an MRP important with an Apple product? Well, because you don't get any kind of a discount on this price point. Of course, it's made in China, so everyone who thinks Apple is made in India, that's for you. Apple made in China. I have been showing you in all the latest computers also from Apple, and this has been imported in the month of September, and that's all the standard information which you get here. So let me just quickly open this up and show you what we get within this slim little package, and what's new in this newly designed probably package, at least because this is a keyboard which was probably launched some time back, not like the earlier one which I have been using. Of course, I'm not referring to this one, but the other standard keyboard which I had used long back. So this is the standard packaging. Let's pull out the stuff, and that's quite directly available. So here we go. That's the Magic Keyboard. Now this is what you get. We have the numerical key here, and that's quite slim. I mean, I had thought that would be quite thick in terms of the design, but no, that's quite slim. And this is what you get. Well, 10 out of 10 for the packaging to Apple. And this is the slim keyboard. Now first thing first, in terms of the ports, it does come with a Type-C port here. Actually, it's not Type-C, it's a Lightning port, and the good benefit of that is that I actually get the Lightning port, and because of that I can actually use the same cable for charging my iPhone in case needed. On terms of the other parts of the design, there's nothing else. I mean, it's quite slim design, and on the back we have this Apple logo, which would be a little tricky to show you the logo, but yes, I think that's quite visible here. And there's design information and everything as such, so quite glossy back. But then who would ever see the back part of this keyboard? In terms of the buttons, there are no buttons as such. On one side it's empty, on the other side it's quite empty. On the bottom there's nothing else, and on the top you have the Lightning port here, as you can see on the top part. And apart from that, there's one single button which is probably to turn it on or pair it, and that's available on the top right. So that is one good thing, and once I enable that, probably there should be some kind of a light or indication available somewhere, or probably I'll have to charge it to get that done. Apart from that, what we have in the package is this Lightning cable, which you can see here, and that's a USB to Lightning in case you would like to charge this. And apart from that, we also have this Magic Keyboard's reading manual. So that's it, guys. This is what we get within this cute little package. And if I talk about the keyboard experience, I mean, of course it has to be good, and that's going to be like it does make a lot of sound, but definitely I like the touch and the feel of it. And the good part is that we have dedicated numeric keypad here, so I could just do all the functions which I need here. And probably it's quite rare, but I'm looking at F1 to F19, which means that we have a bunch of different function keys in case you would like to use any of those. But that's about it. This was the unboxing of the Apple's original keyboard, which is nowhere close to the one which is the dummy one here, or even the Logitech ones, which I keep using it very rarely, but yeah, I mean not regularly, but then quite frequently whenever I'm in need of a backup keyboard. So this was a complete unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Radar for more videos in English. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.